So this artifact is going to show number 16, which is aligned to content standards, and number 17, which is accommodate learner differences. So let's take a look at aligning to content standards. So I teach teachers, and in so doing, I have added the ISTE standards for educators to this course. And so if we go to the course objectives, you can see that these are the ISTE standards and indicators that are going to be in this course, and then also the learning objectives. So that is aligning to content standards, as well as in the end what the participants or students do in this class. If we scroll down, you can see that they have a blended lesson plan that they make, and in the blended lesson plan they put their learning objectives here, their content area, and then which Utah core standards that ties to, as well as which ISTE standard for student that ties to. And then they put in their blended model and framework and so forth. So I've tied the course to ISTE standards, and then I've also set it up so that the teachers that are in the course will tie it to their core content standards for whatever it is that they teach. Now for number 17, which is accommodate learner differences, this is a blended course. And so one of the things that we do is we go over blended learning, and we do it in a way that allows them to experience it. So we have station rotation to begin with, and then they work together in small groups. And then we have some flipped instruction where they watch a video, put down their thoughts, and then they have a partner collaboration, group work, individual assessment. So we're really allowing them to work individually, work as a group, work within the rotations, work with the teacher. And then we have this whole flex section set up, which allows them to pick any of these topics. So whether it's TPAC, the 4 C's, or blended teaching models, they can pick any of those and then dive deeper into that. So whichever of those topics interests them, they'll go more into detail on that and then learn about it and have some activities that go with it. And then in the end of the day, on day 1, they will have some work time to work on their blended lesson plan. And then day 2, we really kind of hit the ISTE standards a little bit harder. And then they start working on what's this blended learning roadmap, and they can do that with partners. And then about midway through the day, we have these rotations where they look at different digital tools. So we've got digital learning and assessment tools, presentation and collaboration tools, and then I actually train them on how to use Nearpod. So they'll rotate through that. But within the rotations, they can decide which tools they want to look at. They might be familiar with some, they may not be as familiar with others, and they can dive deeper into that. And so really the whole experience is set up to allow them to personalize it and modify it the way that they want to, move at their own pace, and give them a lot of choice. And so that's how this course is set up to accommodate learner differences as well as align to content standards. Thank you.